Hello and welcome back to Clean Nuts. And hiding on the side of the workshop is the Marlin Trials car. It's been there literally about 4 or 5 years. And this is a car that you do trials in. So you have various tracks up muddy hills that you have to go up. MGB motor. MGB gearbox, Marina 10 hundredweight back axle with a special needle roller pin in the sun wheels so you can spin a wheel. Overdrive gearbox. Hasn't moved for ages, as you can see. So I thought it was time I went outside and washed it off and then perhaps see if we can get it running. Take it off the skids. The brakes will need sorting, but it'll come back. So get it on the trailer, get it outside and get it jet washed. The brakes were really stiff, took some winding on. Eventually got it on the trailer. So there she is in the sunshine. You can see the dust on it, it's incredible. So you build this rack at the back, put the 2 spare wheels and the toolbox in. If you notice there's a welded bead around the wheel rim. So you drop the tyre pressures down. So here you are, twin SU carbs. It'll need a battery. It's got a fuel vapour lock problem. If you notice, the fuel line comes up over the top of the manifold. Gets too hot. Anyway, let's get it washed off and see what she looks like clean. Well, there she is out in the sunlight, looking much better. Now needs to be recommissioned and get it back on the road. So stay tuned to Clean Nuts and see how we get on.